First of all, I've just gotten a new mobile phone with a new much better camera, and I chose this mobile phone just because I like to do YouTube videos on my phone. So hopefully the images will be a little bit better from now on, and maybe the audio as well. I bought a Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro, which was one of the best you could get for around $200. Anyway, back to the battery. This is a Phylion battery, and you can tell by the sticker. This is not Wall ES, but it's most likely Batavus' version, which has a metallic locking cylinder here. I wanted to show you that there's a common problem on many batteries, both in the older and the newer charging port. Phylion developed their own charging port, or has an OEM do it for them, and they do not turn out that good actually. As you can see, this cylinder is where these pins are connected, and it's a few millimeters in, and it's actually loose. This one should be all the way in. So if you're having trouble with the charger actually sticking to the port, then this is your problem. Of course, nobody has replacement part except for us. We have a few used replacement parts, but you can put it in there. But it doesn't really want to stick, and it doesn't really want to start charging. So here's definitely a fix, and you can easily fix this yourself by pushing this in and adding a lot of silicone or glue. There you go. There you go, buddy. Now it's want to charge again. So that's how easy it is, and it also happened a few times with the trapezoid 5-pin metallic casing charger port. So both in the older and the old version, we never seen their new 3-pin canvas. It's very new. Maybe they fixed it in that, but this is a common Phylion charger problem that you can easily fix cheap by yourself. So we will let it charge up all the way and add a bunch of silicone. Hot glue is just as good, and both get the cylinder around and the wires and everything in between nice quick, so it won't get out of the way again. So I hope this helped someone. I hope you think the quality was better in this one.